you guys want to learn what I pack for an Alaskan cruise, just keep watching. Hi guys, my name is Jennifer and I love to share fashion and beauty. In today's video, we're doing a different type of video. I'm going to show you the items that I pack and what I'm packing for an Alaskan cruise. I'm downstairs currently right now. My luggage is down here, so I'm going to show you what I just thrown in, and then we're gonna go upstairs and we are gonna start packing together. Research on what to pack for an Alaskan cruise, and I've checked the weather. The weather's supposed to be in the 50s and 60s, and then we are also going up to Canada, which is gonna be 70s, and then we are actually porting out of Seattle, which is gonna be in the 90s. So I have all sorts of weather that I need to pack for this cruise. So this is gonna be interesting. This is my first Alaskan cruise and my 5th cruise altogether through Carnival. I've been on other cruise lines, but through Carnival, this is my 5th cruise. So I will be filming a little bit of like what a room looks like. Follow me over on Instagram. I'll put it down here what it is, and I will show you like in real time what I'm doing and like what a room looks like and stuff. And then also I'm going to film what I actually used during the cruise also. Let's go through some of the things that I have already that I just threw in a suitcase, and then we're gonna go upstairs and I will show you what other items I'm going to pack in here. This is my Samsonite suitcase. I've had this suitcase since I've been like 16. I feel like Samsonite is a really good quality suitcase or quality brand. This thing has been through the ringer. You can see from when I was married, I still have this little thing to mark like when I take it off the conveyor belt. It has like this little zip. I'm not sure if they still make it, but it wouldn't surprise me if they did. So it has this. I don't want to show you my address, but so this comes up and down. So I'm gonna lift this on the table and I'll show you what I have already inside of this. So you can't really see what I have on the inside of this yet. I will pull out what I have. These bags, these are compression bags. These are compression bags and these are huge. So what you do is you stuff all your items that you want compressed into this, and then instead of vacuuming this out, you use your body weight and you smash it down to get all the air out. I use these for Hawaii because I was going for 14 days and they worked really well. I have a couple of these. So what I plan on using these for is I have 2 jackets that I am going to pack. So since they take up space, 2 pairs of PJs. I like the night shirts. These are from Soma. These are good quality. I've had these for a couple years. So I have this one, and then I have this one that's from Amazon that I like. It's a little bit longer and it's super comfy. Chicken lanyard. If you've never been on a Carnival or any sort of cruise, you have a card that you attach to this. You wear it around your neck at all times, and this is pretty much your lifeline. You don't use cash, so anything that gets charged to your account, you use this card for drinks, for pretty much anything, for getting on and off the ship also. So you really have to make sure you keep this with you at all times. So that is one of the things that I am taking. And then this little pouch has all of my travel documents. What is going with me is my birth certificate and my COVID card, and then my COVID results. At this point when I'm going, they are still requiring a COVID test within 72 to 48 hours of getting on the cruise. I know that they're changing that for fully vaccinated people, effective, I think September or something, right after we get back, is when it's effective. I am fully vaccinated, so hopefully I come out negative. Things that I have in here are just, these are gonna be, these shorts and these bike shorts are gonna be my travel shorts for going out and coming back in. We are there like a day and a half after we get back, so I gotta pack an extra outfit for that day also. And then, so as far as like tech stuff, stuff that you might need for like the walls, I am borrowing some things. I am sharing a room with a bunch of girls, so we're going to need like little hooks. So you just take this and then you fasten it onto this, you push it in, so you have like magnetic hooks, so you can hang, like I have like an hanging toiletry bag, so I want to get that. And then when you go on a cruise, there's only one outlet in the room, in any room, and so if you have more than one person or more than one things that you have to plug in, you need this. You can't take anything that's has a power surge on it. So, and since I'm going on an Alaskan cruise, another friend let me borrow these little mini binoculars. I have also my iPhone little thingamajig and a charger for right now in here. And then this shoe organizer for anything that we need to use it for. So there's that. I got this off of Amazon. It's mostly packed. This is just my toiletry, shampoo, conditioner, face wash, body wash. I think there's face wash, Downy. I have my makeup brushes in here, my lash stuff, and I'm taking one thing of all. I got this in like a little travel pack so I can do laundry if I need to. All my toothpaste, and then there's a bunch of face products that are travel size in here with my Tula. So I am taking this, most of this is packed right now. I don't think I can get any more. Instead of taking my big makeup case, I'm gonna take this because I'm not taking very much makeup. I have like deodorant, my toothbrush, this, and then like all my simple makeup. You guys know, Rare Beauty. I think I am bringing a sponge. Concealer. I am taking 2 shades of foundation. I'm taking the It Cosmetics. I have a feeling it's going to be super dry down there, so I am not taking any primer. And then I have this as my light shade. I am going to tan before we leave. So I still need to pack my curling iron. I'm not taking a blow dryer because I'll have a blow dryer there. Battery pack charging, my sleep mask charging. I'm not taking a computer. I'm just going to take my phone. So I think what we're going to do is I'm going to take you guys upstairs and we're going to start actually getting out what we're going to take. This is my little battery pack. It's a Morphe pack. When I bought it, I thought it was a big waste of money, but I've used this thing more times than I can't even count. It's an awesome investment. If you need it, I would definitely get one. I'm going to turn you just this way, just a little bit. I'm going to show you what I'm going to bring, that I'm going to pack. This first one, oh, the hanger's broken. Dang it. This first jacket is from Amazon. I've had this since Hawaii. Also, it's a rain jacket. It repels water really good. So I'm bringing this. This is a jacket that I was debating about bringing, but I think I'm going to. It's a lighter winter coat and it also repels water. So I'm going to bring this just in case. This one's from JCPenney's. I think they still make it. And a scarf. And then these 2 hats. This one's from Amazon. It is so soft. And this one's from Love Your Melon. Love these two. Okay, so here's where it gets, I don't know what I'm doing. So that I'm gonna bring my little black slides. I don't have them out yet, but this one is also from Amazon. I feel like this is like a cute little fall dress. It's from Amazon Essentials. It's cute. So we're only gonna have one formal night, and on Carnival cruises, really formal night is not really formal night, just a dress up night. We'll have at least one. And then I'm bringing a bunch of t-shirts because I get hot. So Old Navy, you guys are gonna really realize how much I love Old Navy. These are Old Navy Luxe tees. This is going, also Old Navy. And then all of my, does that have a stain on it? No. All of my Aerie t-shirts are going that I've had forever. All of these. And this is also Old Navy. And this is Aerie. So all of these are going. My Barefoot Dreams cardigan is actually going also. I love this thing. It's so soft and cozy. Buying like sweatshirts and stuff while I'm there because I know it's the end of the season, so we're gonna have good sales. So I figured I'll just take one Nike sweatshirt. I might switch this out to a darker one just in case I get the sturdy or get a different one. And then these are the tennis shoes I'm taking. I don't think I'm bringing any boots because we're not going to do any hiking this trip. So I love these Madewell jeans. These black ones. I could wear these in the dining room one night. I'll take these. All of my Madewell jeans because I only have 4 pairs. So I think they're actually all just going to go with me. These are the Road Trippers. Love these. And then these are the skinny ones with the buttons. I love all these. These fit so well. That way I don't deal with my Walmart jeans and not like them. I don't know. Although I might take these for a fat day. Nah, we'll just take some leggings. Oh, these are my Fabletics leggings. So these are going to go. And also I can wear those under jeans if I get cold. These are going to go. These are Zella. And these are Zella. And then I think I might wear my sweatpants out. I need a swimming suit. So they have a hot tub on board. So I'm going to take, this is from Lane Bryant. And then this top is like super old. I'm only taking one swimsuit. So that's all I have for right now. I'm not sure what carry-on I'm going to take yet. When I figure that out, I may come back on camera. But if I don't, I hope that this is like informative for you and you learn something that you can take. I still have jewelry to pack. I still have a lot of things to pack still. So I probably will come back later and keep filming this as I pack. So, but just in case, if you like this type of video, love it if you would like and subscribe. Sorry that I'm sweaty. It's hot up here. And I hope that you guys have an awesome week. I will be back also with what I actually used in Alaska. Yeah, have an awesome week and I'll talk to you guys later. Mwah.